Today we're going to be going over how to use ProPilot Assist. With available Nissan ProPilot Assist, the Leaf helps out on some of your driving tasks, like following the car ahead at a preset distance or keeping you centered in your lane. It can even bring your Leaf to a full stop based on the traffic flow and get you back up to speed when traffic starts moving again. Note that this is not a self-driving system. Instead, it uses enhanced cruise control and a steering assist system to help you stay centered in your lane and maintain a comfortable distance from other vehicles. The steering assist system uses a multi-sensing camera unit installed behind the windshield to monitor the visible lane markers. If clear, consistent lane markers are present, the steering assist provides small correction to ensure that the vehicle is in the center of the lane while driving. Steering assist will activate when the vehicle is traveling above 60 km per hour. Intelligent cruise control also comes with ProPilot Assist. Radar is equipped to help keep distance between the car in front of you. This feature gets activated when the vehicle is traveling over 20 km an hour. To turn on the ProPilot Assist system. Intelligent cruise control is also offered on models without ProPilot Assist. It has the same features as a standard cruise control, plus maintains a selective distance with the vehicle in front of you. Push the ProPilot Assist switch. First, a temporary pop-up will display the status of the driver assist technologies, and then the status of the ProPilot Assist system will appear. Now, accelerate or decelerate your vehicle to the desired speed. Push the set switch and release it. The ProPilot Assist activation and ProPilot Assist status indicator will light up. Thanks for watching. Check out our channel for other quick and easy Nissan Leaf tips and tutorials.